Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play MLB The Show on your phone. First, you'll need either a PlayStation or Xbox console, as the game streams directly from it. Next, download the official Remote Play application, like PS Remote Play or the Xbox app, onto your smartphone or tablet. Finally, make sure you have a robust and stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to ensure a seamless and enjoyable gaming experience without interruptions. Once the app is installed, the next crucial step is connecting your game controller. Pair a compatible Bluetooth controller, such as a DualSense or Xbox wireless controller, directly to your phone or tablet. Ensure both your mobile device and console are on the same local network. Then, open the Remote Play app, select your console from the list, and you're ready to dive into the action. To ensure the smoothest possible gameplay, consider optimizing your setup. Lowering the in-game graphics settings on your console can significantly improve streaming performance and reduce lag. Also, close any unnecessary background applications running on your phone to free up processing power. For the best connection, try to use a wired Ethernet connection for your console, minimizing potential wireless interference and latency. For an even better experience, explore some advanced tips and accessories. A controller phone mount can greatly enhance comfort during extended play sessions, making your phone feel like a dedicated handheld device. Also, try connecting your mobile device to your router's 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if available, as it often provides faster speeds and less interference than 4 GHz. Remember to check the description for links to these helpful accessories and other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.